show you how to make bread samosa. Samosa is difficult to make, but bread samosa is so easy to make. If you like this video, click on like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please do subscribe. Come on, let's go to the kitchen. We require bread, garam masala powder, onion, ginger garlic paste, pepper, salt, soya sauce, breadcrumbs, water, egg, tomato sauce and chicken. First we'll cook the chicken. Take a pan and add some water. Now put pepper, salt. Now put ginger garlic paste. Now put soya sauce. Mix well. Now put chicken. Cook the chicken well. Cook for 10 minutes. Now dry the water. Now off the flame. Let it cook for some time. Now cut into small pieces. Like this. Now heat a pan and pour some oil. And add onion. Saute for some time. Add some salt. Add garam masala. Add pepper powder. Add ginger garlic paste. Salt well. Add chicken. Add some tomato sauce. Now the filling is ready. Now we'll make the sheet. Roll with the roller. Now cut the edges. Now press again. Apply some water in the edges. Now make a cone shape. Apply water. like this. Now put the filling. Apply some water in the edges. Now close it. Apply water and close it. Make a cone shape. Now take one egg. Now pour some milk. Add some pepper and salt. Beat it well. Now dip in the egg and roll it in the breadcrumbs. Now we'll fry this. Now it's ready. See, my bread samosa is ready. Please try this very tasty. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe.